direction. There's Mother, there's Mother. She screeched at me from the southeast. Mother, where are you flying? Can you come back, Mother? I can't see you anymore. Oh, Mother, thank you. Bless you, Mother. Mother just showed up, screeched, and then flew through the trees. I don't know if I could find her. It looks like there's a faint orb right there, heading from south to north. She came from the north, but then she headed east this way through the trees. She just made a screech and I knew it was her, and I looked over and there she was, like right in between recordings. Like right in between recordings. Like I ended one and then she appeared. I wonder where she went. Okay, now I'm really gonna be looking for orbs or craft. Mother's always encouraging. A really cool, trippy thing is that Mother, her screech is unique, and Pia's heard her twice at her friend's house, which is like, I don't know, 15 miles away. Which is pretty amazing, honestly. Because like I said, she's not just a normal bird, she's an interdimensional entity looking like a bird. Or a hologram, or I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I just know that she's the Mother and she wants to balance Earth and help Earth ascend to a more balanced and prosperous state with unconditional love, light, and unity. I'm looking for orbs tonight. I've seen them, but I haven't caught one on camera tonight. I've seen a few. Oh, I got a flash. I love you too. Thank you. Looks like it was from a star though. Something flying by a star. The clouds are coming in. No. They don't look too bad. It looks like they're coming from the south, but kind of staying in the southwest. But it looks like, our southeast, it looks like we have our whole west. Our west dries and clear. Sorry, I'm just looking really carefully at each star. I'm sure I missed them flying right over my head. Oh, life is so beautiful. Life is truly beautiful. It's truly magic and miraculous and just wonderful. Like, I want everyone to experience life, the fullest, that unconditional love and light that life has to offer. And I know that doesn't mean that we don't struggle, but how we react to struggling and how thankful we are to the universe really especially through meditation, helps us to balance those different powerful waves of emotions that run through us, you know, due to current events and topics like war or politics and religion. We need to unite under unconditional love. That's where I saw Horus flying around up there, just disappear real quick. Let's see how long you got on the video. Please love yourselves unconditionally and love others unconditionally as well. Please forgive the traumas that people have done to you, or forgive traumas that you've done to other people or yourself. Please don't judge people or yourself. Please do meditations, grounded meditations, at least 5 minutes a day. There's the beautiful Mother Moon. We are all one consciousness. And if you're religious, we are all children of God. God is the main consciousness, and we are all just children. Oh, here's a big, beautiful, bright... Wait, is it the clouds? Is it the clouds? Are you an orb? You're an orb. I send you all my unconditional love and light, and thank you so much. Is it going from south to north? It is going from south to north right above my head. I send you all my unconditional love and light and high vibrations. Thank you so much for sharing yourself with us tonight. If it's your will, would you like to flash or flare up? Only if it's your will. Thank you so much for sharing yourself tonight. Oh, look, it's getting brighter. It's getting brighter. Thank you so much. This one's going from south to north, right over my head. Oh, look at it. It's a fader. Oh, look at it. It's getting so bright. Thank you so much. I love you. Bless you, bless you, bless you so much. Thank you so much. You did not have to do that. Look how bright it got. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I love you, I love you, I love you. We are all one under unconditional love and light. We are all one under unconditional love and light. We are all one under unconditional love and light. And it's starting to vanish. No, it's still going. It's still heading there. Oh, there's a faint one going the other direction, but this one just definitely got my attention. This is a fader. It gets dim, and then it gets real bright. Look at that. It just lit up for a little bit and then stopped. So as I was saying, we are all one consciousness. We are all God's children. Everything exists within us. The temple of God exists within you. The kingdom of God is within you. That means to have a relationship, we have to meditate and listen, and then pray. Prayer is talking, meditation is listening, and we need to listen more. It's very faint, flying off to the north. Thank you all for watching my content, our content of spreading unconditional love and light and unity, and the awakening of what's truly exists in these skies. Did you see that flash? Where'd that flash go? Where'd it come from? Please bless me with a subscription, like, follow, comment, and share, so we can share this awakening and unconditional love with the whole world. I love you all. Abundant blessings to all of you. Peace and love. This is April 30th, Wednesday, 2025, about 8:40.